What's the deal, YouTube family? I already know what it is, man. It's J-Boy and I'm back with another video. So, man, I'm just pulling up to this Holmes Road plant. I guess our plant ain't even open right now, you know what I mean? So we over here, all the trucks are here. I don't know what we got going on today. I don't know how many loads we have or anything. So we're just gonna sit here and get ready to get loaded. And once I do all that, I'll get with you guys when we get back on the job site. All right, YouTube family. Hey, man, I be forgetting before I leave to show you guys I'm about to slump this load. So I got a 5 and we're going to FM 521 and Sienna Point. So yeah, they want 600. Oh man, they want 600. Golly, 600 yards, and I'm 110 right now. So I might get a good, maybe a good 3 or 4 up out of this job. So let's go ahead and slump this load, man. They want a 5, and then I'll start back recording once we get to the job site. All right, let's get this 5, baby. Like I said before, you know what I'm saying? Wash that down. Get that good. Man, I can't even see. Let me take these glasses off. Oh, it's dry. It's dry. It's hella dry. But we going like 17 miles away, so I can wet it up pretty good, you know? Wash the rest of the truck down. It's like a lot, like I said before, it's like a minute because my drum don't spin that fast. They say we've been here before, so I'm thinking it's like a subdivision. If y'all can hear it, it sounds kind of wet, but it really ain't wet. You gotta keep letting it mix. What is he doing? What if I spray him with this water? You think he'll be mad? Watch this. Watch this. Look, look at that. What's up? Oh, my bad, man. My bad. My bad, player. Oh, man. Slow it down. I gotta look at it. I'm still pretty dry. I'm going to go 17 miles. I can wet it up a little bit more. I'm sure they're still pouring a slab, so they're gonna want it kind of more. They're gonna want it. They're gonna actually want it a little bit wetter than a 5. Looking at. Gotta slow it all what they told me. They told me to spray and pray. So whatever that means, right? So hey guys, I'm done. I'm about to head to this job site. So once I get there, catch you guys on the scene. All right, YouTube family, man, I'm just pulling up to the job site. I keep on keeping that thing on mirror open. As you can see, I guess they're gonna be building a subdivision around here, bro. More than likely, that's what it is. So this is what y'all be buying. You know, y'all buying to these subdivisions a bunch of nothing. You know what I mean? a bunch of closed houses and stuff like that. That's what y'all be buying. You know what I'm saying? When you can go outside and touch your neighbor, literally stretch out. You know, but that ain't none of my business. But yeah, man. So we pouring this slab right here. Oh, Lord, hey, this stuff be so thick, like I ain't lying, you be getting stuck. But I'm about to see where they want me to get at, man, so I could just park my truck real quick. What's up, my boy? Where you want me to go? Oh, so they want me to go right here. So I'm gonna just sit here and wait real quick and watch them. Yeah, go ahead and set my stuff up. So now I'm here. Yes, sir. Ouch, I hit my elbow and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and what time is it? 8:26. Go ahead and let my chute down. Yeah, but they want 60 yards, so we probably be here almost all day. 600 yards. $600 a lot, bro. That's 60 trucks. I ain't saying we got 60 trucks, but you know, 60 loads is what I'm trying to say. Over here in Rosharon, Texas. Look at all the way, look all the way over there though. Like all these subdivisions they building, man. So that's just going to tell you how. That's just going to show you like how the population, you know what I'm saying? Supply and demand, you know? How much it's gonna increase. Cause I mean, they ain't building all this for nothing. You know what I mean? It wouldn't make sense. You know? Some kind of agenda behind it. But I'm gonna go ahead and watch them do their thing. Let's go see real quick. Let's get a little closer. As y'all can see, that's what they do. Just pour out there from that angle. I mean, that's what it's gonna be today. So once I get ready to pour out, I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, now it's my time to pour out. I gotta look at my guy. Through this window, let's go, reverse. Okay, I'm watching him. Now, I don't know what that means, boy. Look, what is he doing? I don't know if they clap. He clapping. What's wrong with him, love? Alright, Gucci. Alright. Okay, putting it down as you can see. Where you at? You know, you gotta watch it from both windows, man. They be everywhere. Alright, I'm spinning it up. I ain't want to see, so Slow it down, slow it down. Spitting. Let's go, my boy. Let's go, my boy. Watch you be like, add some water. I just know it. Come on. Look, told you. I told you. I told you gonna say add some water. How much you wanna add? How much you wanna add? 10 gallons? Man. As you see it now. Let me know if it's good. That's good? All right, let me get back in the truck. Say it's good, guys. It wasn't 10 gallons, but whatever. There you go, my boy. There you go. Slow that down. Okay. Hey, my mirror's dirty, man. Like, I should have cleaned my mirrors off. It's like it was a little hole right there that he pointed in. I guess you want me to speed it up, alright? Alright, my boy. I guess he gonna put right there. Let's go see then. I guess that's what he wants. Get up close to person, you know what I'm saying? That's what happens when you go too fast. You go forward?
Let me tighten that
Huh?
already.
What was it?
Y'all got a lot of work today?
Man, y'all got 600 yours. That's what y'all ordered, right? 600?
Yeah.
No worry. So now I gotta go up a little bit, but I'll let you guys see, you know what I'm saying, how they be doing what they do when they do what they do. I ain't want the rest of it. Dang, I keep on opening that thing, bro. Where you at, boy? Where you at, boy? Go ahead. Come on, boy. Alright. Getting the rest of the parallel. This be the easy part, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's like, it's so open. And all they doing is just letting it run out. Sometimes it get a little difficult, you know what I'm saying? They be want you to turn 9, 10 different angles. Bag up, go forward, bag up, go forward, bag up, go forward. Yes, sir. So basically, I'm out now. I'm good. Speed it up. I swear, boy, this remote is man, it's heavy. No lie. All right, so we done. All right, guys, man. He got my load off. Everything is legit. Everything Gucci. And I'll catch you guys back at the yard.